Mike here. Wow. Before it gets wrapped by Lexus Racing, but here you go, the completed quick project. 2023 Lexus IS 500 S Sport Performance. This will be seen at all the Lexus Racing races through IMSA. I am so excited for you all to see this. Love this bright color, this Molten Pearl. Shout out to my guys at BBS Wheels, my partners, Craig and Jesse and Kenny, the whole crew over there. Shout out to Michelin, check those out. Gotta make sure they're on sticky tires. Those are Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. That wheel is a BBS CR wheel, and that is the machine finished, as you can see. And of course, my homies at GTHAUS, John MJ, appreciate y'all. And just because I'm shouting them out doesn't mean I didn't pay y'all. Don't get it confused. But I love them. They're great people to deal with. And I definitely don't mind cutting them a check. And I know I'm getting and providing as high of a quality as a vehicle as possible in a very short amount of time. More to come, but I want you to hopefully stare and enjoy this as much as I have. Might be wondering, oh, Mike, why'd you go those wheels? The fitment's perfect. That's a 20x9 plus 32 front, 2010.5 plus 45. The tires, Michelin Pilot Sport again, 4S, 235, 35/20 up front, 275, 30/20 in the rear. See, in the bright sunlight, it gets crazy. Look how bright that is, Molten Pearl. So I chose this finish. You'll see what Lexus Racing will have done with the wrap, and that's why I went with that two-tone wheel, because I feel it's going to match that wrap really well. Also, the thing about a black wheel on a car this bright, to me, it kind of overwhelms because you're just so focused on the color, you miss out every great other kind of detail in the vehicle. So with the wheels now, a color that contrasts, and I love this tri-spoke. It adds such tension to those beautiful lines, and you really then look at it, looks completely different than stock in the previous video, right? And your focus is now on the complete vehicle, not just the color. Now you're noticing lines that you didn't notice before, and those wheels add such another layer of tension and dimension to what I wanted to accomplish. More to come. I'm gonna shut this down. Hope y'all enjoy it. If not, all good. Peace, everybody.